BURCHDA R8S Electric Bicycle, 800W 20AH Battery Powerful, 4.0 Fat Tire 20-inch Snow Electric Bike. Brushless Motor. The BURCHDA R8S electric bike is equipped with a powerful brushless gear motor, which can easily help you ride at a higher speed, giving you superpower to conquer all roads on your bike ride. Aluminium alloy frame. This electric bicycle for urban transport has a 6061 aluminum alloy frame with adjustable handlebar and seat height for an excellent riding experience. The folding design is convenient to carry in the trunk of the car. BURCHDA electric mountain bike is equipped with high-quality 20 by 4 cm tires, suitable for commuting, snowy roads, sandy roads and off-road environments. LCD display. This mountain bike is equipped with a high-quality LCD display that provides accurate travel speed and distance. Bright headlights and brake tail lights let you see and be seen at night for your safety. Removable 48V 20AH Lithium Battery. This folding electric bike is equipped with a 20Ah battery. The large capacity battery has a purely electric range of 80 to 90 kilometers and a wider range of 110 to 130 kilometers. Charging time is 5 to 6 hours. Brake system. BURCHDA electric bike adopts a high-quality hydraulic brake and 8-speed system, which allows you to easily choose different speeds, suitable for any kind of road you want to ride. Smart Cruise electric mode maintains speed for 3 seconds and activates cruise control, freeing your fingers. 800W brushless motor. The BURCHDA R8S electric bike is equipped with powerful 48V 800W brushless gear motor. It can easily assist you to travel at 40 km/h to 45 km/h. This bike provides super strong power for you to conquer every road in your trip. Power supply, foldable and easy to carry. It can be easily folded in a bag, purse or backpack without taking up space. Perfect for travel use. Foldable design, which can be folded up when not in use, but also sturdy and durable. BURCHDA R8S electric bicycle, 48V 20AH lithium battery, 4.0 fat tire 20-inch snow bike.